I'm going to spend a few minutes looking at the OD range from Kinco. Well, the OD range is an AC servo drive from Kinco that operates from 20 to 70 volts DC. It is available in three sizes: the 114S, which is a 5 amp continuous rating and a 12 amp peak; the 124S, which is a 10 amp continuous rating and a 36 amp peak; and an OD 134S, which this is an example here, which is 20 amps continuous and 80 amps peak. It has different control methods which are available to use. The basic ones are plus and minus 10 volt analog and pulse and direction and RS485, but you can also use communications buses such as EtherCAT, CANopen and Modbus. The control modes used within the product are position control, speed control and torque control. It has on board 4 digital inputs, which are on here, and 2 digital outputs, which are here, and then this unit is compatible with the SMCS range of motors. Here's an example of one of those. This is the 80 frame, but you can use any motor from 40 to 130 mil frame. That gives you rated capabilities of 0.5 kilowatts to 3 kilowatts and speeds up to 3000 RPM. The encoder options are either a 2500 line incremental encoder or a single turn absolute encoder. Now, this combination of products, the drive and the motor as a package, are ideally suited to applications such as logic, storage and retrieval systems, service robots, medical devices, any application where you would be looking to position, but in an environment where you may want to be remote from a supply. So you might be battery operated, for instance. Ideal for anything like that. I know this is a short overview of the product, and if you need any further information, I'll be quite happy to provide it. So please feel free to contact us at the links below if you need anything else. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe. And I finish by thanking you for your time. Thank you.